Hi everyone, we're back for part 2. Battery died. We're all rebooted up. Getting back to the babies. Oh, look at here. Oh my goodness. Look at this little vampy. Ooh, coming all the way from babies of the other side. Oh, look at her. Her detail, her little feetsies. She's just a precious little thing. Oh, isn't she a cutie? Look at her. Woo-hoo! All righty. There's another little baby in the box. Let's go ahead and get him out. All right, everybody. Let's get going. Oh boy, look at here. Looks like we got a little monster baby. Ah! Okay, let's see what baby this is. Oh my, look at this zombie baby. Hi there. Oh, isn't he just a cutie with his little pacifier made from the Cheyenne kit. Isn't he just adorable? Well, here's my new babies. Welcome to my nursery, guys. Thanks for another box opening. Thank you, Aaron. I love them. Bye-bye.